Have you ever stood in a place so surreal, so hauntingly majestic, that you questioned if it was even real? There are places on Earth that look like scenes ripped straight from a sci-fi movie or a forgotten dream. Massive stone carvings, glowing lava lakes, ancient temples built from bones. These are no ordinary landmarks. They defy reason, challenge the imagination, and feel like stepping into another world. Today, we'll take you on a jaw-dropping journey to 6 places that look like they're from another planet. And trust me, number 7 will leave you speechless. 1. Leshan Giant Buddha. Carved directly into a red sandstone cliff, the Leshan Giant Buddha is a towering figure that watches over the confluence of 3 rivers in China. Standing 233 feet tall, it's the largest and tallest stone Buddha in the world. Created over 1,200 years ago by a monk who hoped to calm the rough waters below, the statue has endured through earthquakes, storms, and centuries of history. What makes it so otherworldly is the sheer scale and serenity. Its peaceful gaze, massive hands resting on its knees, and the moss-covered body make it look alive. When you stand at its feet, it's like looking up at a god from another universe. From certain angles, the Leshan Buddha seems like part of the mountain itself, emerging naturally from the rock. The blend of ancient craftsmanship and the erosion of time has given it a mystical, timeless appearance. Locals believe the statue has spiritual power, and many pilgrims visit to seek blessings. When mist rolls in over the river, the entire statue becomes hidden, reappearing slowly like a vision. It's not just a statue, it's a moment frozen in time, set in a place that doesn't feel like Earth. 2. Rock sculpture of Decibilis, Romania. On the banks of the Danube River, staring across the water with fierce determination, is the face of a forgotten king. Decibilis. Carved into a 141-foot-high rock wall in Romania, this modern wonder honors the last king of Dacia, who fought against the Romans. It took 10 years to carve and remains one of the largest rock sculptures in Europe. The detail is striking. The deep eyes, the flowing beard, the solemn expression. It all feels like it belongs on another planet. It's like stumbling across an alien monument built for a titan. Surrounded by forested cliffs and ancient ruins, the statue almost seems to speak of a parallel history, one where myth and reality collide. Few tourists ever expect to see something so epic hidden away in the mountains. The remote location adds to the surreal vibe, making the journey to get there part of the experience. As the wind whistles through the trees and the river flows silently below, the statue looms overhead like a guardian from a forgotten time. It's eerie, majestic, and absolutely unforgettable. 3. The Chapel of Bones, Poland. Imagine walking into a small chapel and realizing the walls, ceiling, and decor are made of human bones. That's exactly what you'll find at the Skull Chapel in Czermno, Poland, a 1776-built chapel filled with the remains of over 3,000 people. It's not just bones stacked randomly. They're arranged with care, forming patterns, crosses, and even an altar. The skulls and femurs of war victims, plague sufferers, and famine casualties fill the room with a silent presence. It's chilling, reverent, and hauntingly beautiful all at once. The chapel was built by a priest who wanted to honor the dead and remind the living of mortality. Instead of hiding death, it embraces it, making visitors reflect deeply on life. Some say it feels like entering an alien church or a forgotten catacomb from a dystopian future. It doesn't feel real, and yet, every skull tells a story of someone who once walked this earth. It's one of the most macabre yet moving places you can ever experience. Are you enjoying this journey through the unbelievable? If so, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're on a mission to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and we seriously can't do it without every single one of you. Your support keeps us going and helps us keep sharing these incredible places with the world. Hit that button. It only takes a second, and it means the world to us. Now, let's keep exploring places that look like they belong in another dimension. 4. Erta Ale Volcano, Ethiopia. Deep in Ethiopia's Danakil Depression lies one of the most terrifying and alien landscapes on Earth, the Erta Ale volcano. Nicknamed the Gateway to Hell, it's one of the only places on Earth where you can witness a continuously active lava lake. Glowing red and bubbling violently, The lava seems almost alive, casting an eerie red light against the barren desert around it. The heat is intense, the ground cracks beneath your feet, and the smoke stings your eyes. It's like standing on Mars. You can't help but feel like you're visiting a hostile, molten world not meant for human life. The surrounding area adds to the otherworldly vibe. Jagged black rock, sulfur vents, and mineral pools that shimmer with unnatural colors. Very few people make the trek here due to the extreme heat and harsh terrain. But for those who do, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that feels like walking on another planet's surface. Scientists study it, adventurers brave it, and everyone who sees it is changed forever. It's raw, dangerous, and undeniably mesmerizing. 5. Golden Rock, Myanmar, balanced precariously on the edge of a cliff. The Golden Rock, or Kyaiktiyo Pagoda, looks like it's defying gravity. Covered in gold leaf and perched over a deep ravine, this sacred rock seems like it could tumble down at any moment. But it's been standing strong for centuries, held, according to legend, by a single strand of the Buddha's hair. The illusion of floating, the golden glow, and the fog that often surrounds it give it a magical, almost heavenly aura. Pilgrims climb the mountain to worship, meditate, and witness the miracle. Seeing it for the first time is breathtaking. It gleams like a beacon, shimmering even under moonlight. Some say the sight feels weightless, timeless, as if you're no longer grounded in reality. Despite the crowds, the atmosphere is peaceful and otherworldly. It's a place where the spiritual meets the surreal, and Earth doesn't quite feel like Earth anymore. If you think things couldn't get stranger, you're wrong. What comes next will take your breath away. These final two places are not just unbelievable. They challenge your sense of time, space, and reality. Stick around, because the closer we get to number 1, the more unreal things become. Let's keep going. If your mind hasn't been blown yet, it's about to be. 6. Crazy Horse Memorial, USA. In the Black Hills of South Dakota, something massive is being carved, something that rivals even Mount Rushmore. The Crazy Horse Memorial, still under construction, is said to be the largest rock carving in the world. It depicts the legendary Native American warrior Crazy Horse pointing forward on horseback. The size alone is jaw-dropping. When completed, it will stand 563 feet tall. But it's not just the scale, it's the spirit of the work that feels otherworldly. It's been a work in progress for over 70 years, carved by hand, without government funding. The monument rises out of the mountains like a sleeping giant, slowly waking. Even incomplete, the details in the face and outstretched arm are powerful and haunting. You feel history, honor, and a strange sense of connection to something larger than life. It's a monument from Earth, but it looks like it belongs in a galaxy far, far away. 7. Petra's ancient rock-carved city. Hidden. Deep within the deserts of Jordan lies Petra, an ancient city carved entirely into rose-colored stone cliffs. Once a thriving trade hub, its buildings, tombs, and temples were sculpted straight from the rock by the Nabateans over 2,000 years ago. The most famous facade, Al-Khazne, or the Treasury, looks like something built by gods, not humans. You walk through narrow canyons, then suddenly, the city opens up before you like a dream. It's quiet, timeless, and unbelievably beautiful. Petra is often called the Lost City, and standing among its remains truly feels like stepping into another world. The way light plays off the sandstone, the vast silence of the desert, and the intricate detail in every carving all contribute to its unearthly atmosphere. It's no wonder it's been featured in movies like Indiana Jones. It's ancient, it's mysterious, and it doesn't feel real. Petra is proof that humanity is capable of creating wonders that feel like they were born in another universe. So, which of these places blew your mind the most? If you've made it this far, it means you love exploring the unbelievable just as much as we do. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're aiming for 100,000 subscribers, and we need you to help make it happen. Your support means we can keep bringing more mind-blowing places, mysteries, and stories to life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes open. The world is far stranger than you think.